Welcome back. We have now gotten to the last module of our ChatGPT course series. In this lesson, we will be going into the ethical considerations and best practices in ChatGPT, where we will discussing the ethical use of AI, privacy, and security concerns with ChatGPT, and finally, the best practices for ChatGPT usage. So, let us discuss the first lesson, understanding ethical use of AI. This lesson aims to educate users on the ethical implications of utilizing artificial intelligence, focusing on the principles of ethical AI use, potential risks, and strategies to mitigate these risks. By the end of this lesson, learners will have a solid understanding of how to responsibly use AI technologies like ChatGPT, ensuring their applications promote fairness, privacy, and safety. Let me explain further. Ethical AI. It's a term that echoes the commitment to developing and using artificial intelligence in ways that are fair, transparent, and accountable. In a world where AI impacts every aspect of our lives, understanding why ethics matter is crucial. From preventing biases to safeguarding privacy, the ethical foundations we lay today will shape the future of AI for generations. Principles of ethical AI use. At the core of ethical AI are principles that act as our guiding stars. Fairness and non-discrimination ensure AI systems treat all individuals equitably, avoiding the perpetuation of societal biases. Transparency and explainability open the black box of AI, allowing users to understand and trust AI decision-making. Privacy and data protection shield our most personal information in the digital age. And accountability and responsibility remind us that behind every AI system are humans who must answer for the technology's impact. I hope we are following. Please do not lose focus, risks, and challenges in AI use. With great power comes great responsibility. AI's potential risks range from data misuse to unintended consequences that could infringe on individual freedoms. Recognizing these challenges is the first step. The next, implementing strategies, from ethical frameworks to inclusive design, ensuring AI serves humanity respectfully and beneficially. Ethical AI in practice. Let's bring ethics to life through case studies that highlight the successes and the lessons learned from ethical oversights in AI deployment. Developing ethical guidelines tailored to your organization's values and industry standards isn't just beneficial, it's imperative for sustainable progress. I hope we are clear ethical use of AI now. It's your turn to weigh in. Through ethical dilemmas and scenarios, you'll get to apply these principles, navigating the complex landscape of AI ethics. And in our group discussions, we'll tackle controversial topics, enriching our understanding through diverse perspectives. Okay, let us move to the next lesson, privacy and security concerns with ChatGPT. This lesson aims to delve into the privacy and security concerns associated with using ChatGPT and similar AI technologies. It will equip learners with the knowledge to identify potential risks and implement best practices for safeguarding information while leveraging AI tools. By the end of this lesson, participants will understand the importance of privacy and security in the context of AI and be able to apply strategies to mitigate risks. I hope we are attentive. Okay, let's go. Privacy concerns with ChatGPT, with its ability to process and generate human-like text, raises questions about data collection and usage. How does it ensure user privacy? How do we balance personalization with privacy? These are the questions we must address as we harness the power of AI in a way that respects individual rights and consent. Security risks associated with ChatGPT. But privacy isn't our only concern. Security risks, from vulnerabilities to attacks, threaten to compromise the integrity of AI systems like ChatGPT. Identifying these risks and implementing robust defenses are critical steps in our journey towards secure AI applications. Best practices for privacy and security. The path to secure and private AI use is paved with best practices, from encryption and access controls to adhering to global regulations like GDPR and CCPA, ensuring the ethical use of AI is a shared responsibility. It's about creating a framework that respects user privacy and secures against potential threats. Do we get that? Now, as usual, let's put theory into action. Through interactive exercises and thought-provoking discussions, you'll navigate ethical dilemmas and conceptualize privacy and security audits for AI applications. It's your turn to apply critical thinking, and ethical decision-making in the context of AI. As we conclude this lesson, remember that the journey of AI is one of incredible potential, guided by the principles of privacy and security. It's up to us, the users, developers, and ethicists, to steer this journey towards a future where AI enhances our world without compromising our values. Let us move to the final lesson, best practices for ChatGPT usage. This lesson is designed to guide users through best practices for utilizing ChatGPT, focusing on ethical considerations, enhancing user experience, and ensuring responsible use. By the end of this lesson, participants will have a comprehensive understanding of how to use ChatGPT effectively and ethically in various contexts, from personal projects to professional applications. Developing a ChatGPT usage policy. Creating clear guidelines for ChatGPT usage is our first step. This isn't about limitations. It's about setting a framework that respects ethical principles and organizational values, ensuring ChatGPT's application is both respectful and responsible. Privacy and data security with ChatGPT. In the digital age, protecting user data is paramount. When interacting with ChatGPT, anonymizing inputs and safeguarding sensitive information are practices we must all embrace. Let's explore how to secure our digital interactions against unauthorized access. I hope we are together. We are almost done. Enhancing user experience, improving the quality of our interactions with ChatGPT, not only achieves better responses, but also elevates the user experience. Through clear, specific prompts and iterative feedback, we can refine ChatGPT's utility, making every interaction count. Avoiding misuse and addressing misinformation. The power of ChatGPT must be wielded with care, avoiding misuse and addressing misinformation. By monitoring content generation and verifying information, we play our part in ensuring AI remains a force for good. Application in diverse contexts. From educational environments to professional landscapes, ChatGPT's applications are vast. By adhering to best practices, we ensure its use is ethical and effective, whether enhancing learning or streamlining customer service. Now, it's your turn. Through ethical dilemmas and real-world case studies, engage with ChatGPT's ethical considerations, applying best practices to navigate complex scenarios. Your insights will illuminate the path to responsible AI use. As we conclude this course, remember, the journey with AI is a shared one. By committing to the ethical use of technologies like ChatGPT, we ensure that our digital advancements honor our collective values, fostering a future where technology and humanity thrive together. Thanks for joining this lecture. I hope we are able to gather a lot information. You can channel your questions to the comment section if you have any. Do not forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting courses from LearnCity.